Hey everybody, it's Kelly. So if you watched my December daily prep video, I promised that I would make a video of me creating my front cover for my album. So this is the Simple Stories. This is a Simple Stories 6x8 album. It does come with these inserts in it, just so that you know that. Some of these fun ones, and I did go through this in my prep video, I believe. This is from Elle Studio. It's not in that. And then these pocket pages. I do have extra pockets as well for myself that I keep because I'm going to need way more than the ones that are in there. Anyway, so what happened is I started to look at this and realized that this would be a really boring 2-minute long video. So I'm just going to show you what I did because I really didn't do a ton here. It obviously is mostly designed because it's already printed on it. So I just took a doily. This one happens to come from Michaels, but you can use any. It's a 4-inch doily. This is the December 2019 acrylic from Elle Studio. And then I just grabbed these, and I think you can still see those pretty well, these little enamel peppermints. And I did use my ATG adhesive on the back of these because I want this all to stay really adhered. And I just added them in. I added 3 in each of the clusters, and that's it. So I decided not to, do a whole lot here. Now, if you want to see past ideas, you can do go into my playlist for my December dailies, the ones where I've recorded things. So that would be 2018 and 2017. And I also have a playlist for December daily on my Pinterest board. So I'm going to try to remember to attach all of those things. If you're interested and I forget, let me know, and I will put it in the description. So anyway, that's what happened, you guys. It just would have been really boring, but I just wanted to show you how my cover looks in the end and how really simple it is, especially if you get a pre-printed album like this. So hope you guys are well, and I will be back with more December daily videos in the beginning of December. Bye, everybody.